Okay, guys, this is going to be your class for today. You are going to perform a workshop about Pythagorean theorem and quadratic equations. You have, as always, only 5 points. You are going to do between Pythagorean theorem and quadratic equations, as you can see here. This point is from Pythagorean theorem. This is quadratic equation. This is Pythagorean theorem. Quadratic equations and Pythagorean theorem. So this is not as hard as it looks. I am going to be here with you so I can help you. If you need help, please let me know. And nothing else. So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind. And I'm not going to wish you good luck because I am going to be here with you. So the only luck you're going to need is me and your notebook and your calculator. That is the only thing you're going to need. So thank you very much and see you in another video. Bye-bye.